week I shared with you guys my unboxing of my saddle box that I got for June. And when I made that video, I made a comment that everybody knows what Showsheen is. Well, apparently not everybody knows what Showsheen is. So today I'm going to tell you what Showsheen is. Hello Awesome Equestrians, I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time here and you want to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Last week I made a video showing everything that I got in my saddle box. And in that box there was a bottle of hair moisturizer, and I made the comment that everybody knows what Showsheen is. Well, that was not a good assumption on my part. And I'm sure you've heard the expression, when you assume. You don't ever want to assume, because that makes out of you and me. So I thought I would make a video and show you what Showsheen is, just in case you weren't aware. And Allison Simon, this video is for you. If you've never heard of Showsheen, what Showsheen is a polish for your horse's coat. It works really well to make them nice and shiny. And it also works as a detangler on manes and tails to help get through those tough snarls and tangles. Showsheen has been around for a very long time, but what this does is it just puts a shine on your horse, and it's also really slippery. So when you are putting this on your horse, you don't want to put it in the saddle area because it will be very slippery and your tack can go slip sliding around. And if you're riding bareback, you really don't want to put this anywhere where you're coming into contact with your horse. So on the bottle of Showsheen, it says it gives a show ring shine. It's the original hair polish and detangler. It has provitamins that nourish the coat, silk proteins to strengthen mane and tail, and it repels dust and dirt. And I can tell you from personal experience of using this for a really long time, it does all of those things. And it also says that this is the original hair polish and detangler. It's for horses, cattle, dogs, llamas, camels, goats, alpacas, pigs, and sheep. So you can use Showsheen pretty much on any animal. You could probably even use it in your own hair if you wanted to. It would make it really slick. So it really is a great product for putting a shine on your horse. Now, by using this product, that isn't going to take the place of good grooming and a good feeding and veterinary plan for your horse. But if you have all of those things in place, your horse has a great diet, he gets what he needs from his feed, and you keep him up to date on all of his veterinary care, and you're religiously grooming him, by using a product like Showsheen, that will just kind of enhance all of the hard work that you've already put into the care of your horse. So to use this product, what you're going to do is groom your horse lightly first, spray it on the coat, but not the saddle area, makes it slippery. Allow it to dry, and then take a dry cloth and go over your horse's coat. It really will make your horse shine and his coat just look beautiful. And one of my favorite things to use Showsheen for are tails. Showsheen works great on tails, and you put it on basically the same way that you did on the coat. You just spray it on the tail, make sure you get all of the tail, and then you allow it to dry. Once the tail is dry, then you just take a brush, a horse brush, a comb, whatever you typically use to groom your horse's tail, and just brush through it. It's really important to make sure the product is dry when you're brushing through the tails so you don't end up with breaking off tail hairs. Showsheen was one of the very first ever polishes or show shines, whatever you want to call it. I've been using this for as long as I've had horses, so it's been around for at least 30 years. That's a long time for a product to be around, so I guess that shows that it works. And Absorbing also says that Showsheen is the #1 selling coat polish around. I bought this one at Dover Saddlery, and I've had it for a while. It lasts a long time. And this size bottle, it's a 32-ounce bottle with the sprayer, and it was about $22. You can find it online a little bit cheaper. Now they also make a aerosol spray, so you can spray it 360 degrees all around your horse. Those are really nice, but you don't get as much. I think those are a 15-ounce bottle, and this is 32-ounce bottle, so this one will last a lot longer. Those are really nice. They're like a finishing spray, but this works pretty good. And if you'd like to see my other product reviews or DIY videos and learn how you can be a budget equestrian, be sure to click the little subscribe icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.